To delete playlists in Spotify, this tutorial shows you how to remove playlists you've created from your Spotify library. First, open the Spotify app on your Android device. Next, tap on Your Library at the bottom to access your saved content. Following that, tap on Playlist to view all your created and saved playlists. Now, find the playlist you want to delete and tap on it to open. Moving forward, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the playlist. Afterwards, a menu will appear with various playlist options. In addition to that, scroll down and look for Delete Playlist or Remove Playlist. Once there, tap on Delete to proceed with removing the playlist. Subsequently, Spotify will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete this playlist. Moreover, keep in mind that deleting a playlist is permanent and cannot be undone. Afterwards, tap Delete or Confirm to finalize the removal. Then, the playlist will be immediately removed from your library. Within your playlist section, you'll no longer see the deleted playlist. Alternatively, if you want to keep the playlist but remove it from your library, you can unfollow it instead of deleting it. Once deleted, all songs within the playlist will remain in Spotify, but the playlist collection itself will be gone. And that's it. If this playlist deletion guide helped you organize your Spotify library, give it a like, subscribe for more Spotify management tips, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.